Hello, and welcome to this HelloID Service Automation product release video for June 2022. HelloID Service Automation is a user management self-service solution designed to delegate user management into the organization. For example, delegate group management, delegate distribution group management, delegate share management. It will help ICT departments to prevent accumulation of licenses and access rights. Please note that in this video, we will only show the new functionality for the June 2022 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get started. In this video, we'd like to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities for the June 2022 release. We have 4 new features in this release. The first new feature is Create HelloID Incident on Delegated Form Task Failure using the new Service Automation Agent. With this new feature, a HelloID incident is created when the execution of a delegated form task results in an error. Our second new feature is Add Link from HelloID Incident, a task error, to the corresponding delegated form activity. This feature is a nice add-on to our first new feature of this release. When you click on the link inside the HelloID incident, a new browser tab will be opened with the corresponding delegated form activity for more details and logging information. Our next new feature is Enhanced API support for product assignment and product task running. These new API endpoints give you more flexibility for managing product assignments and the option to run the configured and corresponding product actions. Our fourth and final new feature for this release is Remove Configurable in-form option for Powershell data source inputs. This feature is no longer necessary since you can define the static values in the PowerShell script itself or use the HelloID variables such as requester and user-defined variables directly in your PowerShell script. Let's demonstrate these new features. For this demo, we have prepared a delegated form called Release Demo 2022.06. This form contains a text input for the username and a dual list for managing the group memberships. The PowerShell script of this form is quite simple. It only contains an information message, a warning message, an audit log message, and it also forces an error, and because of this error, the task will fail, and the HelloID incident will be created. Let's navigate to the HelloID admin dashboard to see if there are any open incidents at this moment. As you can see, there are no open incidents right now. So we will switch to the Service Desk page and open the prepared delegated form. Here we have opened the Service Desk page and will now open the delegated form called Release Demo 2022.06. In this form, we will enter the username release.demo and we will select application number 1 and application number 3 as an example. We'll click on the Next button to go to the summary page. And here we'll click on the Submit button to submit the delegated form. Please remember that the script does not execute any target actions, but it contains sample logging messages and will force an error to trigger a new HelloID incident. We will now switch back to the HelloID admin panel and open the delegated form activities. We have opened the delegated form activity overview, and as you can see, the form has been submitted, but the task has an error. So, when we navigate to the admin dashboard, you will see that there is a new open incident for the task of our delegated form. The task has failed, and we click on the details, and here we see a link to the activity details page. When we click on this link, a new browser tab will be opened, and you will be routed directly to the corresponding delegated form activity that opens the panel where you can navigate to the form submission logging. Here you can see our sample audit message and the task logging containing the configured information, warning, and an error message. When the task is fixed and retried, the execution is successful. The HelloID incident will be closed automatically, and you can also close the HelloID incident manually if preferred. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.